Hi guys, this is Honda Civic 2014. I'm going to make a spare key with the remote key. This is a G chip, as you can see, using autel KM100. So let's see how it's doing. So you're going to make the spare. First connect the device into the car. Let's see, connect the device here in the town. The device already there, and let's see. So this is the one I want to make, new one with the G chip. So you can see here the G chip, Honda G chip. So wait for 30 seconds maybe to connect the device. The device is connected already. Go to the IMO, auto scan, auto win. Okay, so it's read already. Put the OK. Blade key, Honda Civic, blade key, press yes, hot function, press OK. Please switch ignition on. With the original key you have it. Switch ignition on. Press OK. Add key guide. Then let's start. Press start. Okay, insert the key and turn ignition on. I already keep the switch ignition is on. Press OK. Switch ignition off with the original key. Switch ignition on with the original key. Program is success. Yes, I want more. So let's now switch ignition off and take out the key. Put the now new key. Switch ignition on with the new key. Program is success. So if you want more, you can put the yes. I don't want more. I put the no. Switch ignition off. Switch ignition on. Switch ignition off and on. Now already immobilizer light is gone from the here dashboard. There is no more immobilizer light. Yes, immobilizer light is gone already. Press yes. Switch ignition off. Switch ignition on. That's it. Success. Now there is a 3 keys. Before was 2 key. So take out the key and check the remote. So you can see remote is working. Okay, and start the car with the new key. That's it. Thank you guys. but this customer old key is not working, is damaged, something is happening. The old one is not working, there is no light, no anything, so the new one is now working fine. Thank you.